So tonight we've come to Aberdare Town to tell Grace Evans that she's the FAW McDonalds Rising Star winner. But before we tell her the good news, let's go and talk to her team.
She's fun, kind. She's helpful. She's brave. She's a good coach. Brilliant.
Ball once and with the ball next.
Yeah.
Should we tell her the news?
Yeah.
Has Grace won an award?
Yeah.
She has. So Grace, we're here tonight, not just to watch you train. Step forward a bit for me so we can hear you. You are the FAW McDonalds Rising Star national winner. Congratulations. Give her a massive round of applause, guys.
Thank you.
Grace, come here. Look at the camera for me. How are you feeling? You happy?
Yeah, over the moon, honestly. Just that's mad, that is.
Yeah, a bit of a surprise for you?
Yeah, that's mad.
Go crazy for Grace, guys! Woohoo!
Surprise you a lot, man.
Neil, you're Grace's father. You must be very proud tonight.
Yeah, very proud. Very proud
Did
at
you
all.
have an inkling that it was going to happen?
No, nothing at all. I knew she won an award, obvious, but the national award, like, unbelievable.
Yeah. And if you could put into words, 3 words that describes your daughter, what words would you use to describe her?
Well, brilliant, proud, and excellent.
Yeah. It's rare for someone 17 to give back to the community the way that she does. What do you think in the first place inspired her to do that?
Well, she's always been interested in football, and then to do the coaching, like, is another level, and I just hope she goes further, like.
And I hear she's a good player as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Left foot, right foot?
Both.
Both foot and the rest of the bout.
Yep, she's good on both feet.
So a future player or a future coach, which way do you want her to go?
I'd love to see her in a Welsh shirt, and to be a tremendous coach. Not just the under sevens, but all the way, like.
So Grace, the news has sunk in now. How are you feeling about your award?
Over the moon, honestly. It's crazy. Lost for words, honestly.
Tell us why did you decide to set up this under sevens team?
So I was offered it by the club because I play for Aberdare, the women's team, and after doing one of my coaching badges, I was asked if I wanted to take on an under sevens team, and I just said yeah without really thinking about it, and I was like, oh yeah, excited about it, and then got nervous and but like after doing it and that, it's amazing, and I don't regret it at all. I love coming here every Thursday to coach them.
Yeah,
So,
and the girls seem to enjoy it as well.
Yeah, they do, which is great to see, because like you come here and they'll be smiling, they'll be doing cartwheels, and I'm actually even though it's annoying when they're doing cartwheels now, it shows how excited they are and how happy they are to be here, and they've made loads of friends by coming here. So yeah.
And what do you get out of it? What enjoyment do you get out of it?
I get loads of things from it. There's obviously experience. There's a pathway to kind of do coaching in the future, and just nice, isn't it? To come here and be able to do it. It's like good mentality or something. It's like playing football. You kind of forget about everything for like an hour, and that's what I do by coaching them then.
Yeah. And Rising Star next to your name, that's pretty nice, right?
Yeah, it's amazing, especially considering I'm like 17. It's like mad. So yeah, I'm really grateful for it. I'm really grateful the club offered me to do the under sevens. So, yeah.
Grace, congratulations, well done.
Thank you.
Well done, Grace!